Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color a castle step by step. Let's start drawing. Children, please look at how I draw a castle and follow. Today, I draw a castle like in a fairy tale. I draw a window. Then I draw the roof and flag at the top. This part is drawn similarly, but the window is higher. Then I draw like this. I draw a main door like this. Draw another window here. Our castle is gradually appearing. Do you want to live in a castle? I don't want to live in a castle because it's so large that it will definitely be tiring to clean. And you. Draw a few more bricks here and there like this. This will help the castle look more ancient. We're almost done drawing the castle. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Now let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint flags. Then, I used an orange marker to paint this part. Yellow to color the roofs. I use brown to paint windows. Brown and dark yellow to color the main door. I color bricks dark yellow too. Finally, I use plum to color the wall of the castle. If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.